Hello friends, today we will discussing about the objective questions on fluid mechanics. Set number 6, fluid dynamics. Question number 1, identify the Bernoulli's equation where each term represents energy per unit mass. Option A is correct, Z plus V square by 2G plus P by W is equal to constant. Question number 2, study of fluid motion with the forces causing the flow is known as. Option B is correct, dynamics of fluid flow. Question number 3, the term V square by 2G is known as. Option C is correct, kinetic energy per unit weight. Question number 4, the term P by W is known as. Option C is correct, present energy per unit weight. Question number 5, the term Z is known as. Option B is correct, potential energy per unit weight. Question number 6, the difference of pressure head H measured by mercury oil differential manometer is given by. Option B is correct, H equal to S2 by S1 minus 1 into X. Question number 7, pitot tube is used to measure. Option C is correct, velocity at a point. Question number 8, Venturi meter is used to measure. Option A is correct, discharge. Question number 9, orifice meter is used to measure. Option A is correct, discharge. Question number 10, the rate of fluid through Venturi meter varies as. Option B is correct, root H. Question number 11, the kinetic energy correction factor for laminar flow through a circular pipe is approximately equal to. Option C is correct, 2.0. Question number 12, the Bernoulli's equation deals with the law of conservation of. Option D is correct, energy. Question number 13, which of the following is not the assumption made in Bernoulli's equation? Option B is correct, the fluid is compressible. Question number 14, the working principle of Venturi meter is based on. Option A is correct, Bernoulli's equation. Set number 7, flow through pipes. Question number 1, the laws of head due to friction according to Darcy formula is. Option B is correct, 4FLV square by 2GD. Question number 2, the TEL lies over the HGL by an amount equal to. Option A is correct, V square by 2G. Question number 3, the hydraulic mean depth for a circular pipe is. Option C is correct, D by 4. Question number 4, the loss of head due to sudden enlargement is given by. Option B is correct, V1 minus V2 whole square by 2Z. Question number 5, the loss of head at the exit is. Option B is correct, V square by 2Z. Question number 6, the relation between friction factor and coefficient of friction F is given by. Option C is correct, CF equal to 4F. Question number 7, loss of head due to friction in pipe is given by. Option D is correct, Darcy-Weisbach formula. Question number 8, a compound pipe is required to be replaced by a new pipe. Both the pipes are said to be equivalent if both of them have same. Option A, length and diameter. Option B, loss of head. Option C, discharge. Option D is correct, both B and C. Question number 9. In case of parallel pipes, option A, loss of head per all pipes is same. Option B, total discharge is equal to sum of discharge in all pipes. Option D is correct, both A and B. Question number 10. For pipes arranged in series, option D is correct, the total flow is same flowing through each pipe. Question number 11. Pipes are arranged in parallel to, option A is correct, increased discharge. Question number 12. The power transmitted through a pipe is maximum when the head loss due to friction is equal to, option B is correct, H by 3. Set number 8. Orifice and mouthpieces. Question number 1. The theoretical velocity of the jet at vena contracta is, option A is correct, root 2gh. Question number 2. The relation between CV, CC and CD is, option C is correct, CD equal to CV into CC. Question number 3. The coefficient of velocity is determined experimentally by using the relation, option C is correct, CV equal to square root of x square by 4 by h. Question number 4. Coefficient of discharge for external cylindrical mouthpiece is, option D is correct, 0.855. Question number 5. An orifice is said to be large if, option D is correct, available head of water is less than 5 times its height. Question number 6. An orifice fitted with some kind of pipe extension is known as, option C is correct, mouthpiece.